Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ThriveCart account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change your ThriveCart product price? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the price to a product in ThriveCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to offer specials, or maybe you're going to lower the price to make it more competitive. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ThriveCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. Also, I want to let you know before we go any further, there's actually two different ways you can do this. One is you can change the price to the ThriveCart product. So that's going to be for everybody. However, if you want to change the price for a specific group, you can simply just offer a coupon to them. That way they see the real price and they can enter their coupon and get the discounted price. I'll show you both methods. So first off, in order to change your product price in ThriveCart, go to the product section here on the top, these three horizontal lines. Once you do that, scroll to the product that you want to change the price to. So for example, my coaching call right here, I'm going to click edit. Okay, once you click into edit, you're going to see these 5 options right here. You want to click on pricing. Once you click on pricing, you're going to click here on edit next to the current pricing. Okay, here you can go ahead and change it. So right now we have it for $500. Let's go ahead and offer it for $499. And you want to click on next and save. Once you do that, scroll to the bottom and click on save and get URL. Okay, now the price to my ThriveCart product has changed for everybody. So anybody who ends up on this purchase page is going to see $499. Now, if I just simply want to add a coupon to a certain group, you're going to go back here to the products, and instead of clicking on the product here to the right, you're going to click on coupons. It's in gray. Okay, here we're going to go ahead and click on create coupon. Okay, so let's say that we are giving a 50% discount to my YouTube audience. So YouTube audience 50. Okay, here we can go ahead and do a coupon code. So let's do YT50. So that way I know it's for my YouTube audience and it's 50%, but you can put in whatever you want. And coupon status, we're going to enable that. And discount type, let's go ahead and give them 50%. So we're going to change this to a percentage. And then the discount we're going to do, as I said earlier, 50%, and applies to the entire funnel. For the main product, I'm going to go ahead and just do the entire funnel. If you have a recurring product, you can apply it to all recurring purchases right here if you want. I'm not going to do that. And then we're going to click on next. Okay, usage, coupon is redeemable immediately. You can change that from a certain date. You can set an expiration date, and then you can also set a limit on the coupons. So let's say that maybe only 50 uses of this coupon for the first 50 users. We can do that. And we're going to click on next, and then coupon applied to all of my products or specific products. So I'm going to click specific, and then I'm going to do 50% off of my coaching call right here. So it was $499. So whoever gets this coupon, it's going to be right about $249.50. And then we're going to click on next, and then you can set up automation right here. I'm not going to do that for this particular video. And then we're going to click on save. Okay, so now we have our coupon code right here. So we can go ahead and copy the coupon code, and we can paste it into our Facebook page, our YouTube, our Instagram, or wherever you normally share your coupon codes. So there you have it, guys. That's 2 different ways you can change the price to one of your ThriveCart products. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.